Hello guys, this is Brian again, and today I'm with the news, a very good news. One of the guy from the Nepal, he contacted us before 6 months, I think 6 to 8 months, and finally we got the message that he has been selected. His name is Raj Lama, and you can see this mail. We have been asking him some information, but he is truly busy because you can see the life in the regiment is really harder than the basic training which we see in all the documentaries. And in regiment, some regiments can be really hard. I'm really sorry these days that I'm not uploading much videos, but I really am in need of the genuine information, true information, and this is the reason I post recruitment information and really new updates, which is very important for the viewers, because we just not look for views. We actually want to give the real information. A story of the British student, and his name is Charles Luck, and he joined French Foreign Legion. He was searched by the international police. So Charles disappeared in June after claiming he was off to France for gamekeeper. His family didn't hear about him for 8 weeks, and they were really devastated about his thing, what happened, if he's murdered or what. So if there's any story like the guy went to France and he disappeared, understand he went to French Foreign Legion. He did not use his ATM card for a long time, so it was very hard to actually find him out, that where he is, and where he is been disappeared. Charles Luck called his family, he called his father that he is in French Foreign Legion, and his father was really worried about him. So first of all, he was searched by international police, and now his father is really concerned that if he went to French Foreign Legion, he will turn up, he will come in coffin. I mean, he will be dead soon. But it is really wrong concept. His father should have left him, and he should have been really cool. He's been into legionnaire. But Charles Luck got a real good chance for French Foreign Legion, and he became a legionnaire. And he said that I screwed up. I should have never gone. I should have never gone into the French Foreign Legion. Somehow he did not like it. He did not like some things inside. So he preferred better to be outside. The newspaper says that Charles Luck called his family in a very panic mood. He ran out of the barrack, and somehow he called his family that he wants to come out. He wanted to come out, but the French Foreign Legion is not permitting him to come out. Sometimes it happens that if French Foreign Legion comes to know that the guy is searched by international police and now he cannot go anywhere, it's not easy for them to leave, So his father contacted French Foreign Legion. He requested the colonel. He wrote to the colonel that he want his son to be released, and this way colonel all decided him to release because he was in the basic training, and now he wanted to leave French Foreign Legion. So this way somehow his father really wanted him to come out of the Legion, and Charles himself was really devastated by his choice. All the French Foreign Legion is, I believe it's not for everyone, but it's for the people who have done crime, and they are really looking for the second chance. So this guy he got really good chance, and why did he leave? It's really crazy, He should have not left. He should have been to the Legion, but it's completely depends on person to person, Some people are preferred to be a criminal rather than getting a change of identity and getting a new life. So guys, this is the story of Charles Luck. Personally I believe he should have been into the Legion, but it's okay. Now about the recruitment process. As you know that I have got a lot of news from people that our PDFs are really working well, and you guys can really contact us for any information. We have some really deeper updates, some secrets, some inside news, which is really helpful, and we come to know the major information. But you can contact us privately. We can guide you and send you all the files and information which you needed. So guys, please contact me on my mail ID down, and we're gonna give you all the most important updates. Also, we are searching for the updates as well. If you want to give us any of the updates, please contact us on our mail ID. You can send us new updates, and if you are familiar with the French Foreign Legion, if you are a legionnaire, you can send us all the information. We're gonna help people who want to join, you know. So it's kind of real social help for the recruitment, you know, if you want real legionnaires, because many prospect candidates contact me, and I should be able to give them the current information. So guys, do help us on our channel. Please contact on our mail ID, and we're gonna send you all the details. All right, thank you. Bye bye. Au revoir. Bye bye.